everyone, we are down by the Brits' favourite beach, Levante Beach. You got the Benidorm Palace advertisement just there. Now, I will just say this as well, I have only seen the Benidorm Palace Cadillac with the dancers in once this month. So, question is, what's going on? Like, that used to be sort of the highlight of the holiday. If you see the Benidorm Palace Cadillac with the dancers in the back.
How much fuel I take, Marcus?
But
Cadillacs.
I don't really want to imagine it.
Probably cheaper to go around with that.
Yeah. Anyway, Levante Beach there, and there is still plenty of room to go sit down and have a chill. Or, of course, if you aren't a beach person, you do have some nice little cafe bars. And, of course, the miniature outdoor gym. I say miniature because, well, some of the equipment's missing. Absolute gorgeous day again here in Benidorm. You do, of course, also have the players accessibiles. You can go down and sit there if you are in a wheelchair or on a scooter. And as you can see, they also have the apparatus, would you say?
Yeah.
The vehicle sort of thing, designed to take people down into the ocean. The lifeguards will fully take you down there and stay with you. And of course, Benidorm legend, Billy. If you've been to Benidorm, you will know him. Oh, sorry guys. Cow sheds as well. The public toilets would be a bit more nice, but yeah, not really much nice about them, is there? All I say about the cow sheds is use them as a last resort. Like, if you can't hold it till you get to a bar or something, then, yeah, you'll have to use the cow sheds. You, of course, do have the car park just there, which is one of many sort of areas used for hiding stuff from the fake cocktails and potato pecan. And it is also one of the areas where they do tend to mix the fake cocktails. The advice is, don't buy them. But €10 each, absolutely disgusting. Probably give you a week's worth of Benidorm Schwartz as well. Yeah, not really worth it. Do of course have the library there on the beach. I mean, honestly, what better place to sit and read a book than on the beach?
Well, we've got a chest.
Yeah, we'll have a game of chess, as Mike's just said. And of course, the best hotel on the Benidorm Seafront, Hotel Simbel. Absolutely amazing hotel, guys. Very posh as well. And I will show you the best rooms in a minute, if I can. Zoom in a bit, zoom in a bit, zoom in a bit. There we are. The best rooms in the hotel, guys, are the ones with the splash pool on the balconies. However, one of them rooms can set you back a heck of a lot of money. So, would it be worth spending all that money? Probably. Of course, there you do have the bigger pool down the bottom, overlooking the fancy seafront. Now, yeah, of course, the fancy seafront is just across the road. I mean, not many hotels in Benidorm can you say, well, I'll step out the door, walk down the steps, walk across the road, and there I am on the beach. Anyway, as I was going to say, guys, what do you think of the new style of videos that we are doing at the moment? Is both me and Benidorm and Mike are going out each day filming roughly about 6 videos each, creating 12 in total. Then I'll upload 6 videos each day. And well, it is just a sort of bid to get more people watching and I'll get a bit more money on the channel, because it breaks my heart to say that I might not get paid this month. Sad to say, but it's true. Pharmacy as well. Now I will stand here for a bit, see if we can get the temperature. 2 minutes past 1. 28 degrees. Not bad.
What high humidity today, then, man?
Yeah, as Matt said, high in humidity, and better than the UK, if I do say so myself.
They got plenty of humidity out there.
Yeah. I am a bit sorry for the UK at the moment. They are having quite some bad storms. Storm Agnes, I think the latest one's called. Honestly, who comes up with these names? But why not Storm Benidorm Crazy Marcus?
Be better, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Promote my channel a bit. It'd just be funny, wouldn't it?
Maybe you can find out who does it, and then
I think there is actually a website you can go on and you can actually suggest names for storms. Crazy, but I mean, why not? Perfect birthday present. Oh, happy birthday, Dad. Here's your present. I've named a storm after you. Anyway, guys, hit the like, hit that subscribe. Hope you all have a beautiful week. Enjoy the videos as well. And remember Benidorm's motto, stay pissed.